So Honey has been exposed as doing a lot of bad to the creator economy. Larger creators are starting to respond to it, and the controversy behind the shady stuff they were doing is all starting to come to light. Even more now, Legal Eagle just announced a class action lawsuit against Honey PayPal. Things are about to get really interesting. But through all this, I've been wondering about something. Microsoft Edge, which is pretty much on every single Windows computer, also has a built-in coupon code finder extension. And yeah, like I said, every single computer, and it's built in. Does it do the same thing? Let's find out. The interesting thing about Microsoft Edge, and I know that it's not particularly popular, but like I said, it's on every computer, well, every Windows computer, and this feature is built in. So sometimes when I'm just bouncing between browsers, I've used Microsoft Edge to look for deals like that, and it finds me lower prices, possibly even on other websites, even if it's not a coupon code. So I wonder, because of that interaction, if it does the same thing as the Honey extension was doing. I don't really see anybody talking about it, and well, let's just get to it. So here I have in Firefox, one of our videos, and this is on the Fi-Fi Amplify D6 Stream Deck alternative kind of thing. And we have an Amazon affiliate link that we've used for that. So I'm just going to go ahead and highlight that link and then switch over to Microsoft Edge and paste the link there. Now, I can tell by looking at the link that this is currently the correct link. And you see it right here on the top right. You have the best coupons, price has dropped, you have coupons. It's this little price tag looking thing here. So let's click on that and let's have a look at what happens. 10% lower than usual. That's the price history. Coupons found, 50% off select products from that brand. That one, look at all the coupons. You see them up here right above my head, right up there. Now, I wonder, like, none of it actually looks like it's exactly correct. So that's something. That's something to look at for this. But I want to show you guys something before I click any further. Where it says coupons found, there's a little I next to it. And if I hover over it, it says, I allow placing of third-party cookies on my device to facilitate billing with affiliate offer as per Microsoft privacy statement. Microsoft may receive compensations for using these coupons. There it is. It looks like Edge does do it with their built-in one, but they put it right there in plain text for you to see that they're going to be doing that. So transparency, that's good, but doing that, at least for the creator economy, still bad. I'm gonna click one of these coupons, I'll see what happens. I need to ask you something. Are you subscribed to our YouTube channel? Because if you're not, hit that subscribe button and also follow over on Twitch. Links are right over here. All right, I'm out of here. I don't like it over there. Click that. It's giving me stuff that is completely unrelated. Look, click that. What does this have? Like, okay. So now I click that, and now I can tell, even though this is the completely wrong product, clicking it through the Microsoft Edge thing, the link in the top no longer has the referral link that we use. So yeah, that's something. Now here's the thing. We're on this page with our link, and I've clicked the coupon thing, and okay, great. So nothing is particularly relevant to what we're trying to buy here. So it's basically got the best deal. It does have a price tracker history, so this is nice to do with that extension, I suppose. And it shows me that I'm going to be paying a little more than I was a month and a half ago. But like doing anything, you're interacting with this, clicking any of this, clicking track price, you'll be notified if the price drops by 20% or more, for example. I'm going to unclick that. It doesn't affect the link. If I click this though, and I go back up, and I look at the link, and did it change the link after I did that? It did not. So if you've done a recently viewed thing here, so it's in there, you use the plugin and it's in recently viewed, and you click it out of its plugins or its extensions recently viewed thing, it still uses the link you put in originally, not its own link. Whether you find a coupon or not remains to be seen, but going by the text that I had explained earlier, it does look like if you use a coupon it finds, it's going to replace the link. But if you find that it has the best price that it can find already on it, it's not really going to do anything with it. So this is definitely a step in the right direction, but I guess them replacing the link is how they even make money off of it, because Microsoft needs to make more money, I guess. I've never been a fan of any kind of extensions that will promise to lower the prices of anything that I do, be that with coupon codes or anything like that. I never installed Honey, never worked with Honey, and this Microsoft one just pops up every now and then when I use it, but I never thought twice about it until this whole Honey debacle. Now that I know more, it's definitely going to cement my decision to never use this kind of stuff and just try to find coupons my own way, but it's definitely going to be having me pay more attention to the affiliate link stuff to see if that stuff changes, because in my own coupon code hunting, I do see tabs pop open all the time. So I think that it's trying to do that regardless of whether you have one of these extensions or not. So just something to be aware of. If you like this video, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button and that bell. Also, I stream to Twitch every Friday at 8 p.m. Pacific at twitch.tv/coalitionchris. So if you want to talk about more of this Honey scam stuff, coupon code hunting, or anything like that, or anything tech, feel free to drop a follow and stop by. Anyways, that does it for me. I hope you guys found this video useful, entertaining, educational, or whatever. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Happy New Year. Peace out.